Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the numerical problems of class 9, lesson number 7 motion. Many problems I am having and we are discussing the first problem. It's a textual problem. We can see. I have written it in a short form. Just the question is, Joseph was jogging from A to B. This is a straight road of 300 meters. Okay? He reached B in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Then he returned back 100 meters and reaches to point C in 1 minute. We have to calculate the average speed and average velocity from A to B as well as from A to C. Okay. What is the speed? Total distance traveled per unit time is the speed. And what is the velocity? Velocity is the total displacement traveled by unit time, isn't it? Here, when we are seeing this problem, what we have to write? In all the problems it is applicable. What we have to write is, first we have to write what all things we are able to understand from this. See here, A to B, the distance is, we are parting it into two, A to B. A to B distance, the distance is S is equal to 300 meters, right? Okay. It is a straight road and the time taken was 2 minutes 30 seconds. We have to convert minute into second. For that, we have to multiply by 60, right? So 2 minutes 30 seconds will be equal to 2 into 60 plus 30, isn't it, ma? 2 into 60 is equal to 120. 120 plus 30 is equal to 150. 150 seconds. What we have to find? Average speed and average velocity in the first case. So A to B, speed will be what, ma? Distance divided by time. Distance is 300 meters and time is this much. So average speed is equal to 300 divided by 150 is equal to 2. You have to write units also, meter per second. Okay. So average speed is this. What is the displacement? Actually, as the road is straight, the displacement is equal to distance in this case. So here also displacement, average velocity is equal to, what is the displacement? It is same as that of the distance, that is 300 meter divided by 150 seconds. It will be what, now? 2 meter per second. Okay. Now the second case is A to C. The distance has been travelled from A to C. So we can draw like this. Point A moving to point B, 300 meter, isn't it, no? 300 meter, 2 minutes 30 seconds. Then they are returning and reaches a point C, which is 100 meter only. They are reached in 1 minute, they are saying. Okay. So what will be the distance? Distance will be the sum of the total length traveled. So distance will be 300 plus 100 will be 400. Okay. So in the case of A to C, what will be the distance? S is equal to what, now? 300 plus 100 is equal to 400 meter. What will be time for that? Time is equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute, that is equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds is equal to 150 seconds, right? 150 seconds plus 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, is equal to 210 seconds. Okay. So what will be average speed is equal to? Average speed is equal to total distance divided by time, that's equal to 400 by 210 is equal to what? We can cut it off. 40 by 21. 21 into 2 is equal to what? 21 into 2 is equal to 42. Here 41, 40 only. So it will be almost 1.9 something. Okay. meter per second. So this is the average speed from A to C. What will be the average velocity from A to C? This is displacement divided by time, right? Displacement is the shortest distance. So we have to calculate the distance from this to this. Isn't it? So in the case of displacement, S is equal to 300 minus 100 is equal to what, ma? Because this much has been cancelled off. So 300 minus 100 is equal to 200 meter. And time is equal to time we can't subtract, isn't it? Time is equal to 210 again, it will be 210 seconds. And average velocity is equal to 200 divided by 210. 200 meter divided by 210 seconds. It will be what, ma? It will be almost 0.9 because 21 divided by 21 will be 1. So here it is 20. So it will be less than that, but it will not be much more lesser. So that will get 0.9 meter per second. This is it. Okay. Second question, ma. A train starts from railway station moving with a uniform acceleration. The speed is equal to 54 km per hour in 15 minutes. Find the acceleration. It's the question. So it's an easy question, I think, because what the thing we have to see is what all physical quantities they have given. We have to write it first. Then only we will get the idea. Train starts from railway station. So what will be initial velocity? It is starting. Initial velocity will be 0. So u is equal to what, ma? It is equal to 0. Okay, it's moving with a uniform acceleration. They are not mentioning the acceleration. We can give it. Speed is 54 km per hour. Means what, ma? Velocity. Final velocity is what, ma? 54 km per hour. Okay. In what is the time? Time 15 minutes. Time is equal to 15 minutes. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find the acceleration. A is equal to what? Up to this extent we understood, right? Here they have given V as 54 km per hour. We have to convert in MKS unit, okay? Meter kilogram second. See, 54 km/h can be converted into meter per second by multiplying with what? By multiplying with 5 by 18. So that's equal to 54 into 5 divided by 18 is equal to what, ma? Will 18 go in 54? Yes. What is that? 18 into 3, right? Let's see. Into 3. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 4, 2, 3 plus 4. Okay. So it will go correctly. 3. 3 into 5 is equal to what, ma? 15. 50 meter per second. We have converted it into that. Okay. So this is what, ma? This is the V for us. What is time? Time is equal to 15 minutes. So it has to be converted into seconds. How can it be converted? 15 into 60 is equal to maybe what? 0. 15 into 6 is what, ma? 30. Okay, we have to find A, acceleration. How can it be found out? Is there any equation which relates V, U, A and T? Yes. What is the first one? That is V is equal to U plus AT. We have written it. We know it, right? This is the one we have to apply. Because V is given, U is given, T is also given, we have to find A. So it's easy. So V is what, ma? It has been changed to 15. 15 is equal to 15 meter per second. Okay, is equal to what is the initial velocity? 0 meter per second plus A is unknown. A into what is T? T is 15 into 60. Here 15 is there, so so need not multiply anything. 15 into 60 is enough. Okay. So how can we convert, how can we find out A? We have to take it that side, right? So A into 15 into 60 is equal to what? 15. So A is equal to what, ma? 15 divided by 15 into 60. Yes or no? It's equal to what? 1 by 60. 1 by 60 meter per second square. This is what? This will be the acceleration. Easy to find, right? Now the third question. A car moving along a straight road with a speed of 144 km per hour brought to stop at a distance of 200 meters. Okay. How long will it take to stop? Means what? How long will it take? Means what is the time? So what are things has been given, Kanna? The car is already in motion with speed 144 km per hour. So what will be the velocity which we know? Initial velocity. Initial velocity was u is equal to what, ma? 144 km per hour. Okay. What to stop? So what is the final velocity now? V. Final velocity is equal to 0. Okay. At the distance of 200 meters. So S is equal to what, ma? 200 meters. What we have to find out? We have to find out T. This is the question. Okay. See, Kanna, we have written everything. The physical quantities has to be written is the first step. Second step is we have to convert into MKS unit. MKS unit. 144 km per hour has to be converted into meter per second. So how can it be done? 144 into 5 divided by 18. Okay, into 5 by 18. Will 18 go in 144? Who knows? Okay, if you know about the table of 18, it is good. If you don't know, then also not problem. See, Kanna, 8. 8 is having, in the multiplication table of 8, where will be the 4 comes in the unit place? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, so in the unit place 6 is there, 8 threes are 24, okay, 24. But in the last problem we have seen 54 divided by 18 was 3, right? So it will not come, okay. 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. So let me see 18 into 8 1. 8 8s are 64, right? So 4 may come 6. 8 ones are 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14. It's going properly. So this is the easy tricks which you should know. Okay, ma? See the unit place where it will go. Okay, we have to find. 8 into 5 is equal to what, ma? 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So 40 meter per second. 40 meter per second is what, ma? Initial velocity. And the final velocity is 0 and S is equal to has been given. Now we have to find T. Is there any equation in which T can be easily found out without knowing acceleration? We already know 3 equations of kinematics, right? V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, in that T can be found out, but A should be there. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. There also A is there, T is there. And the third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, right? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, right? No? So the A can be found out without even though we don't know about the T. So we can find A first, then only it will be the possible way to find out T. So initially what we have to find out, A has been found out. What is the equation we have to apply for that? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Other than A, all the things we know. Isn't it, ma? v is equal to 0. V square is equal to 0 square minus u square. What is u here? 40. 40 square is equal to 2 into 200 into a, right? Okay. So we can find a. How can it be found out? Minus 40 square into 40 divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 4, right? 400. Okay. This will cut this will. Okay. 4, 4. So what will be the answer, ma? What will be the answer? It will be minus 4 meter per second square, right? This is the answer for A. A is minus 4 meter per second square. Okay. Now, by applying that, we are finding T. See, Kanna? Then, any equation we can apply, Kanna. V is equal to U plus AT. I am applying. What is V over here? 0. Is equal to, what is U, Kanna? U is 40. 40 plus what is A? A is minus 4. What is T? T is the one which we have to find out, right? So, T. What will be T, ma? T is equal to, I am taking this value upon the, so what will be? Negative will change into positive. 4 T is equal to 40. T is equal to what, ma? 40 divided by 4 is equal to what? 10 seconds. Why? Because here meter per second divided by meter per second square. So it will be 10 seconds. Okay. This is how we can find out T. Now the fourth question, ma. A body initially moving with a speed of 36 km per hour accelerates at the rate of 80 cm per second square, covering the distance of 300 meters. Find final velocity. Okay. First, what we have to write? We have to write all the quantities which has been given over here. Okay. What is that? Initially moving with the speed. So what will be that? U is equal to what, ma'am? 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then acceleration. A is equal to what, ma'am? 18 centimeter per second square. Okay. Distance. S is equal to what, ma'am? 300 meters. What we have to find? Velocity is equal to what is the question? Okay. First, this thing we have written. Second one is we have to convert it into MKS unit. So, 36 km per hour will be what, ma? 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second, isn't it? So, it is equal to 36 into 5 by 18. We know 18 into 2 is equal to 36. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 meter per second. Is what? It is U. Okay. Then A is equal to 18 centimeter per second square. So this centimeter per second square is not acceptable. We have to convert it into meter per second square. So what we have to do? Convert this into meter per second square. So how can it be converted? Second is having no change, but centimeter has to be converted into meter. So we should know one thing, that is 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Centimeter is a smaller quantity while meter is a bigger quantity, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, isn't it? So this can be multiplied with 1 by 100. So it is equal to 18 into 1 by 100 is equal to what, ma? 0.18, isn't it? Meter per second square. This will be what? Our acceleration. Then S is given. It is in meter only, so no need to convert. Up to this extent, we changed and we have to find the final velocity. Now, apply the equation which is correct, suitable for this. See what are the equations of motion? We know three good things. First is V is equal to U plus AT. Is the time given? No. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. There also time is there. It is all not given. Then the third is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. The t is not there, and the rest of all things we know, isn't it? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. We know u, we know a, we know s also. So it's easy to find out v's. This is the equation which is applicable over here. So let's see. V square don't know. V square minus u square is, u is what ma? 10. 10 square is equal to 2 into, what is acceleration ma? 0.18 into, what is s over here? 300 meter. 300 meter. 0.18 meter per second square into 300 meter. Okay. 2 into 0.18 into 3 into 100, right? It is. This 100 can change this 0.18 into 18. By this way I am doing. It is equal to 2 into 18 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 18 is equal to what? We have to find out. 18 into 6. 8 6 are 48. 4. And 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 108. So, we can write here v square minus 100 is equal to 108. Okay. So, v square is equal to what ma? 108 plus 100 is equal to 208. So, what will be v? V is equal to root of 208. 208 is not a perfect square. So, what will be the value? You know the squares, isn't it? 14 square is 196. 15 square is 225. So, it will be in between 14 and 15. This is the easy way which you have to find out the value. So, the answer is, for you quickly you can understand by this way. Use some tricks to find the values. Because we know 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225. This is 208. It will be in between 14 and 15. So, the value will be 14 point something. Okay. And the answer is, I have already found out, and the answer is 14.4 something. 48 something. Okay. What is that? Meter per second. All the time, don't forget to write the units. Otherwise, your mark will be cut off. Okay. This is V. V is equal to 14.4 meter per second. Isn't it easy one? Coming to the next problem. A body moves from rest with a uniform acceleration and travels 180 meter in 3 seconds. Find the final velocity of the body after 6 seconds. Okay. This is the question. What is the first step we have to write? We have to write all the values which we know. What are the things? Moves from rest. So what will be u? Initial velocity will be what? It is equal to 0. Uniform acceleration. Okay. What is the acceleration have be given? No. Travels with 180 meters. So S is equal to what? 180 meter. Okay. S is equal to what? 180 meter. What is the time given? Time t is equal to what? 3 seconds. What we have to find out? We have to find the final velocity. We have to find out the final velocity after 6 seconds. Okay, not the final velocity now, but final velocity after 6 seconds, what it will be. So, is there any equation which relates final velocity with these quantities? The first step is over, and the second step is what, ma? Second step is the values in MKS system. Yes. Displacement is in meter, time is in seconds. So there is no need for converting in and all. Okay, that step has been skipped. Okay, no need of it. And third one is what is to find out v is equal to what. But we should know one thing, that is acceleration is also not given. They are saying the body is moving in uniform acceleration, but acceleration is what? It is not given. Okay. With this quantities, is it possible for us to find out the final velocity? Say about the equations which we know, equations of motion. See, that is v is equal to u plus at. U is there, t is there, a is not there. Okay, v is also not there. Second one is v square minus u square is equal to as. There also a has to be found out. No way to find out. So what you are understanding is a acceleration has to be found out. Is there any equation in which final velocity is not needed? Still acceleration can be found out. Yes, there is an equation. See, s is equal to ut plus half at square. What is that equation, Rana? S is equal to ut plus half a t square. In this equation, s we know, u we know, t also we know. Acceleration we have to find. Okay, ma, we can apply this. So 180 is equal to what, ma? Ut 0 into 3 plus half a is to be found out. T square, what is t, Rana? 3 into 3 square or 3 into 3 we can write, isn't it? This value has become 0. Okay, ma? 180 is equal to what, Kana? Half into 3 into 3 what, ma? 9 a. So a will be what, ma? With the rest of all will go that side. A is equal to 180 into 2 divided by 9. Will 9 go in 18? Yes. 2 times and the 0 again I am writing. 20 into 2 is what, ma? 20 into 2 is equal to 40. 40 meter per second square is what? It is acceleration. A. Acceleration is what, ma? 40 meter per second square. This acceleration is uniform, so it will not change at all. What we have to find? The final velocity after 6 seconds. So we have to find everything, the rest of all will be same, but time will be changed. 3 seconds to 6 seconds. Time is equal to 6 seconds. What we have to find? We have to find v. Equation is v is equal to u plus a t can be applied over here because we know u, we know a and we know t. Okay, so it is easy to find out v. That's equal to, what is u, Kana? 0. Plus what is a, ma? 40. We don't know. Into what is t, ma? T is 6 is equal to 4. 4 into 6 is what? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 20. 240 meter per second. Is what, ma? Is the final velocity. Ready with the 6th problem. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Okay. Find out the acceleration and the distance covered in that time. Okay. This is the question. So, what all things, what we have to write now? What all things has been given we have to write. Okay. First, accelerate with, first the speed will be initial velocity, that's equal to 18 km per hour. Okay. Final velocity is what, ma? 36 km per hour. And the time is what, ma? 5 seconds. What we have to find out? We have to find acceleration as well as distance. So, then the next step is we have to convert into MKS system. That is 18 km per hour has to be converted into meter per second. How can it be? 18 into 5 by 18. 18 cancel and the answer will be 5 meter per second. It is the initial velocity. And what will be the final? 36 into 5 by 18. 18 twos are 36, isn't it, ma? 2 into 5 is equal to 10 meter per second. Is the final velocity. Okay. Then we can find A. What is the equation? Then what all equations you know you have to say. V is equal to u plus at. That itself will do good because V we know, u we know, everything we know. But A we can be easily find out. V is equal to u plus at. Okay. So what will be A from this value? That is V minus U is equal to AT, right? So what will be A? V minus U by T will be A. Apply it there. What is V over here? 10. That is 10 minus U is what now? 5 divided by what is the time Karna? It is 5. So that's equal to 10 minus 5 is 5 by 5 is equal to 1 meter per second square is what now? It is what? It is the acceleration. We found the acceleration. What is the second step? Find out distance traveled. What is the formula which can be applied? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here u is non, v is non, a and t everything v. So S is equal to what ma? Ut plus half a t square. That is u is what? 5. What is t? T is 5 plus half. What is a? 1. T square. What is t over here? T is 5, right? 5 square. That is 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 25 by 2. Isn't it? 25 by 2. What is 25 by 2? 25 by 2 is 12 by 12.5. That is 25 plus 12.5 is equal to what? 37.5, right? 37.5 meter is the distance traveled. We found acceleration as well as distance traveled by the car in that time, isn't it? That's easy.